Hello everybody, it's Neil and I have this here. This is going to be a little massager thing, and I ripped open the bag when I opened up the thing, but I haven't even taken it out yet, so you guys are seeing it with me for the first time. I guess these are the different types of massages you can get. Here's some about information. If you really want to read about them, you can probably pause it and zoom in. Same in on the back side here is how to use it. So this is what it looks like here. So it's kind of got some good flex to it, and it looks like some of the massages are like this. So if I do this, it feels pretty good actually. Yeah, it feels nice. So I can do this, and it's got the shoulder, and then it has a shoulder press. So it'll go like, shoulder press. If I hold it this way, if I hold it this way and it goes back there, oh yeah, so now it's pressing. I see I can do this under my arm and squeeze it on my shoulder. Don't like that one as much. The gun show, they call this one here. This is the gun show, so it's doing my guns. Look at these guns, the gun show. We got the daily detox, which is a one here, so it's just kind of a massaging my back. Actually feels really nice. That's what feels nice. The neck one feels amazing. My gosh, like remember they used to have those things with the little pins that you here. It's got that same kind of tingly goosebump feel. Doing this one here, it feels really good. And then we have the quad crusher. I'm gonna do this here on my legs, on my quads, and on my different legs. Feels nice. It's actually nice getting the different massaging going. I have like those little massage gun things, those vibration things, but this is a total different feel. And it does the calves. So I'm just gonna get this one here. So pretty cool. And then it can even go around my waist. Give this thing a try. The hippie here, I guess it's just kind of rubbing around there. Feels nice. I can do this side here. There. So you got all the different choices of different areas to massage. You just go down here, and this one here feels good. It's kind of that's kind of massaging my back. So it actually feels nice. It's a nice little device to just have around to just get a little quickie massage to massage yourself in areas where you wouldn't necessarily be able to do it yourself. So I'm gonna say it's really cool. So thumbs up from me on this. The link is in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.